Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. So today I came with new topic that is sorting functions in list. So without wasting much time, we will begin with it. So basically you can specify ascending or descending order in sorting with the help of these sorting functions, right? So strings are sorted alphabetically and the numbers, these are sorted numerically. So note, you cannot, here we I'm giving you a note, you cannot sort a list that contains both string values and numeric values, right? So I guess I will write over here, so it will be more helpful to you guys. So strings are sorted alphabetically. Then I said numbers are sorted numerically. And the third one, what note I tried to given you all, you cannot sort a list which is containing both, that is string and numeric values. All right. So without wasting much time, we will move forward with examples. So for ascending order, how we sort a list. So I have passed over here one list to variable, that list one, and I'm simply saying it to list one dot sort and passing this parenthesis. This is the list function. Okay, and printing the same. So let's check out. Yeah, it have given a sorted list. So this is what the one function for sorting list in ascending order, right? So how we can sort string? So as I already told, strings are sorted alphabetically. So it will start this with first letter and likewise means alphabetically. So I'm using the second variable, that is subject underscore list, and I'm printing this. Now sorry, I'm passing it means this dot sort function, list function over here, and printing the same list. Let's execute it. Pardon me if I'm doing some mistakes over here, but it's only minor mistake. All right, so here you can able to see how we sort it. List, string list I will say over here. So how descending order will work? So I have kept same example over here for alpha numeric, and let's check out. You have to always keep in mind whenever you are passing that variable dot sort and in bracket, whenever you need ascending list you are not passing anything, but whenever you need descending order of that list, then you have to pass over here like reverse equals to true. Then and then only it will be gonna give us order of that numbers in reverse, right? And I've simply last I'm printing that list one. Let's execute it, and this is how it will able to give us result. So we will check with string function also. So what is your case? For reverse, it will have to give us like in sort, it is for ascending, it is sorting it by alphabetically. Over here also it will sort by alphabetically, but it will give this result in reverse manner. So here last will become our the first one. So see here, this physics became our first over here. So it have given us the descending order list. So sort function doesn't return anything, right? So see, I'm simply passing here one list to this variable subject underscore list After that, taking another variable sorted underscore sub underscore list and passing over here subject underscore list dot sort and simply parenthesis, and I'm printing this new variable. So let's check out what it gives. It will give just none values. As I already said, sort function doesn't return anything. Alright, so this is the some function we have, that dot sort, how we can use this reverse equals to true. But we are having some built-in functions for sorting list also, and that is nothing but the sorted. Alright, I have taken this list one variable, passed one numerical list over here, and I'm simply saying sorted, and in parentheses I'm passing this variable. So let's execute it, and this is how you can able to sort this list with the help of Python built-in function also. Alright, so now we are trying to sort it one, but what we did over here, I passed over here reverse equal to true, so it will give us list in descending order. Alright, so let's check out for string also. Yeah, this is how it will give us. Over here also we passed reverse equals to true, and that's why it is giving us the output is in reverse manner. So this is how the sort function will work for list. And over here I'm concluding for today's video. This is sorting functions, how it will work with ascending order, how it will work with descending order, and what are the Python built-in functions are available that we have seen. And you can take some examples and try to explore at your end. We will see in next video the relevant topic of this, and till the time, keep learning, keep upgrading. See you soon. Bye bye, take care. And if you like my video, like, share, subscribe. That's it from my side. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.